नमस्कार दोस्तों, मैं कर्नल अजय, सीईओ अजय एस्ट्रो मनी ग्रुप, फर्स्ट ग्लोबल एस्ट्रो फाइनेंस डिजिटल चैनल से आपसे मुखातिब होता हूं। आज 7 जनवरी सन 2022। दोस्तों, आज के इस एपिसोड में हम चर्चा करने वाले हैं अगले सप्ताह यानी अगली वीक व्हाट आर द पॉसिबिलिटीज इन द स्टॉक्स एंड डिफरेंट कमोडिटीज। If you remember, in our previous show, we had given clear indication about certain agro commodities, metals, and the bullion. What all possibilities has been shown is just gone, not correct. Hope all of you must have been enjoyed the big profit. Next week, what are the expectation for the stock market? We shall discuss in this. Before that, today, on the 7th of January, year 2022, the market is highly volatile. The market has opened with a positive note, and the highest volatility it is being observed in the equity market. Oil and gas stocks are really doing very well based on the uptrend in the crude oil. But banking and infrastructure and other sectors are struggling very hard. Cement, oil and gas, and chemical stocks are performing really very well. Now, the big question, will this continue next week also? That is the big question. Before we should go ahead, let's look at the planetary condition next week from 10th of January onward, year 22. Important planet Sun, it is in with Venus. Sun and Venus are making conjunction together in Sagittarius, while Venus it is not only combust but retrograded also. Saturn with the Mercury, Jupiter with the Saturn's house, and the Moon with the Mars house. Rahu, it is absolutely opposite from the Scorpio and Taurus, while Mars and Ketu are together at Scorpio's zodiac sign. These are the planetary conditions. If we look at these planetary conditions, we can say with the confidence that next week the stock market may show the volatility at the beginning. But the second half, it is expected to show a strong positive trend in the stock market. We are expecting FIs to also will come in the full swing to get invested in the stock market, especially in the Indian stock market, are very attractive at the lower prices. The stocks which should be kept under observations are HDFC Bank, HDFC, ONGC, Bajaj Finance, Tata Steel, Tata Chemical. These stocks should be kept under observation. I shall recommend to keep an eye on HDFC Twin, means HDFC and HDFC Bank. These two stocks should be also kept under observation. We are expecting the Pidilite also to show good upward movement along with certain number of the steel as well as cement stocks. So Steel Authority of India would be also one of the pick which should be kept under observation. Friends, January month is always a very important month because the February first week the budget it is being announced. So therefore, what all investment, what all planning are made with the equity market need to be considered budget also. As per the expectations, since the 5 important state assembly elections are due, I believe the government will certainly bring something really very shocking and big benefit to the farmers and the middle men. Therefore, one need to be very, very cautious because we don't foresee a very big reform. We are expecting a very big relaxations to the ex-servicemen, defense personnels, farmers and middle income age group or income group people. We are expecting something very big for the education field also, health field also to be paid a very special attention with the view of COVID-19 pandemic and the latest version so on. So therefore one need to be very careful while selecting stocks before budget. So we need to get ready for the frontline stocks with the budget. Fertilizer stocks also to be kept under observation because we are expecting something should come up very big for the relaxation of the farmers. So friends, I hope this should be the historical episode because we have discussed the stock market, selected stocks, sector and budget expectations. Now, next week onward, we shall be keep talking about the particular sector and their stocks with the view of upcoming budget. Friends, if you have not yet subscribed the channel, please do subscribe and don't forget to press bell icon so that we can provide you timely notification for every update from us. Thank you very much. All the very best. Good luck. Happy trading.